Hi, this is Phil Szpiech, Qigong therapist at Gentle Waves Renewal Center. I am asked often, just what is Qigong therapy anyway? So let me take a couple of minutes and see if I can clear it up for you. First, let's explore the meaning of Qigong. Technically, it is the art and science of using breathing techniques, gentle movement, and meditation to cleanse, strengthen, and circulate the life energy, which the Chinese call Qi. Qi meaning life energy, and Gong meaning the activity achieved through practice and cultivation. To simplify it a bit, Qigong can be thought of as the cultivation of life energy. It is a powerful system of healing and energy medicine. Now, Qigong therapy is the therapeutic treatment program where the therapist uses both external, which is universal, and internal, which is emitted energy or qi, to change an unstable physical condition into a balanced one. Both touch and non-touch techniques are used during the course of treatment, helping to relieve pain, illness, and physical problems. The therapist first identifies areas where the energy is depleted, blocked, stagnant, or congested, and then goes on to free up and balance the energy so that your systems begin to function efficiently. Strong, vibrant, balanced energy supports and maintains your physical and emotional well-being. Qigong therapy will also help to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, strengthen your immune system, achieve a deeper sense of well-being, emotional stability, and balance, and it will also enhance any other mind, body, spiritual practices you may be following. If you would like more information on Qigong therapy or Gentle Waves Renewal Center, give us a call at 757-295-8814, and don't forget, like us on Facebook.